Understanding Fasting Rules, a guide for English language learners. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrases related to fasting rules. Whether you're curious about cultural practices or just expanding your English vocabulary, understanding these terms is essential. So, let's dive in and make sense of these expressions together. Fasting refers to the deliberate abstention from some or all food, drink, or both, for a period of time. It's a practice observed in various cultures and religions for different purposes, such as spiritual cleansing, health reasons, or as a form of protest. Fasting rules are the guidelines that dictate how, when, and who should fast. These rules can be religious mandates, cultural traditions, or self-imposed disciplines. They outline the specifics of the fast, such as duration, how long the fast lasts, ranging from a few hours to several days. Dietary restrictions, what you can or cannot consume, including food, drinks, and sometimes even medication. Intention, the purpose or the spiritual reason behind the fast. Different cultures and religions have unique fasting rules. For instance, in Islam, during the month of Ramadan, Muslims refrain from eating and drinking from dawn until sunset. In Christianity, Lent is a period where some believers might give up certain types of food. In Hinduism, there are specific days when followers fast from certain food groups or completely. The importance of fasting rules goes beyond mere dietary restrictions. They are often tied to moral and ethical values, self-discipline, and community identity. Understanding these rules can offer insights into diverse cultures and belief systems. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has shed light on the multifaceted concept of fasting rules. Whether for religious observance or personal growth, these practices hold profound meaning across the world. Keep exploring and expanding your horizons, and see you in the next video.